cutest aesthetic edit. So yeah, let's get into the video. So here is the Pixar tab. Now I'm gonna go to the grid section and will choose 4 photos which I want to collage. Now I'm gonna change the layout and will adjust the thickness of the border. Now I'm gonna adjust everything perfectly. And yeah, it is done. Now I'm gonna click the arrow and will go to the draw section and will choose the color to white. And then I'm gonna choose a square one and will adjust the opacity and size of it. Now I'm gonna resize the frame. And yeah, it is done. Now I'm gonna save the picture. Now I'm gonna go to the Photo app and will choose a picture, the picture which I have collaged in Pixar. Now I'm gonna type cake and will adjust its font and size here. Now I'm gonna type pancakes. Now donuts. Now Alia. Now I'm gonna type sweetest things. And we'll change its font. And yeah, we'll add a stroke here to highlight sweet things. Also, I have added another sweet thing here to highlight it. And yeah, it's looking perfect. Now, I'm gonna save the picture. Now, I'm gonna go to the polarr app and we'll choose the picture which I have edited. Now I'm gonna go to the custom filters and choose a filter here, and it is an aesthetic filter. And yeah, you can easily save this to your gallery. So here is the cutest aesthetic edit.